Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another part of logarithm, and in today's video we will deal with the questions based on logarithm. In the first part we explained the basics and I hope you know them well and the formulas because they are very important to solve the questions based on logarithm. Before moving on to the questions, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical and all other type of job opportunities as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. So moving on to the question, which of the following statements is not correct? Okay, so log a to the base is 1, we know that. Now here it is similarly log 10 to the base 10, so that is 1, which means that is correct. For log 2 plus 3, that is log 5, and log 2 into 3 is log 6, and we can write log 6 as log 2 plus log 3. So this is not equal, I guess. The third is since log 1 to the base a is 0, so log 1 to the base 10 is also 0. Fourth part is log 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3. So log 1 plus 2 plus 3, this form we can write it as log 6, and this can also write it as log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3. This is also correct. So that means option B is incorrect and the answer is B here. Moving on to further questions. If log 2 is equals to 0.3010 and log 3 is 0.4771, so what is the value of log 512? Okay, so log 512 to the base 5 can be written as log 512 divided by log 5, and 512 can be written as log 2 raised to the power 9, and log 5 can be written as 10 divided by 2. Now you can write log 2 raised to the power 9 as 9 log 2, and log 10 by 2 can be written as log 10 subtracted by log 2. And 9, you know the value of log 2, so you can write it as 0.301. Similarly, you know the value of log 2, so 1 minus 0.3010, that is 2.709 divided by 0.699, that is equals to 2709 divided by 699, which after dividing you get it as 3.876. So that means the value of log 512 to the base 5 is 3.876. So log 8 divided by log 8 is equal to, okay, log 8 can be written as log 8 to the power 1 by 2 divided by log 8. So it will be 1 by 2 log 8, and in division log 8 is there. So log 8 will be cancelled by log 8 and remaining is equal to 1 by 2. So that means you can write it equals to 1 by 2. If log 27 equals to 1.431, then the value of log 9 is, okay, so we know the value of log 27. Log 27 can be write as log 3 raised to the power 3, and that will be written as 3 log 3, which is 1.431. So here this 3 can be gone in division by cross multiplication factor. So log 3 is equals to 0.477. Now we have to calculate the value of log 9. So log 9 can be written as log 3 raised to the power 2, which can be written as 2 log 3. You know the value of log 3, it has been calculated here. So you will simply put the value of log 3, that is 2 into 0.477. So the answer is 0.954. If log a divided by b plus log b divided by a equals to log a plus b, then, okay, so we know the statement is this. We can write it as log a plus b equals to log a divided by b into b by a. So you will get these cancelled, a by a and b by b. So log a plus b equals to log 1, that is a plus b equals to 1. That means the answer is option a plus b equals to 1. If log 7 to the base 10 is equals to a, then log 10 base and 1 by 70 is equal to, Okay, so log 1 by 70 to the base 10 can be written as log 1 to the base 10 subtracted by log 70 to the base 10, and this can be written as minus log to the base 10 and 7 into 10, which is log 7 plus log 10. That is a plus 1 here, because log 10 to the base 10 is always 1, and in case of log 7 to the base 10 it is a. So the answer is minus a plus 1, that is your option A. If log 2 to the base 10 is 0.3010, then log 10 to the base 2 is equal to, okay, so log 10 to the base 2 can be written as 1 by log 2 base 10, and we know the value of log 2. So we'll write it as 1 by 0.3010. We'll remove the point here by taking zeros in the numerator. After solving this, you get it as 1000 by 301, which is your option B. And this is all about the concept of logarithm and the questions. So these are all type of questions that you can face in any aptitude exam. I hope you are clear with this. This problem provided on screen is a homework problem for you guys. Make sure you leave the answer in the comment section. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Each last part of the video contains a practice sheet and the link is given in the description. Solve that because that will be very helpful. Leave the answer for homework problem in the comment section. Thank you.